Hi, Kai.
Hello, teacher.
Where is Rick, Kai?
It's going to the bathroom.
Oh, okay. Maybe he will join us in a bit. Did you did you have your hair cut?
Yes,
When, Kai?
yes.
When?
Um,
When did
when
you have your hair cut? Yesterday?
yes, yes,
Oh, what about Rick? Did he cut his hair too?
yes.
Okay, I see. Now I can see you are sharing your whiteboard. What do you want to draw, Kai?
I want to draw anything I like.
Oh, I see. Wait, can I draw too?
Yes,
Okay.
I can draw anything.
Yes, exactly. You can do anything here, Kai. Do you
I
like
can draw.
draw? Do you like drawing?
Yes.
You draw your family, Kai?
Hey,
Okay, let me see. How do we erase these? Oh,
wait for me. I can
no
erase
need
it.
to. Oh, no need to erase it. You'll just move the whiteboard.
No.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. How many people are in your family, Kai?
There are 5 people.
4 people?
5.
5 people in your family. We have mom, dad, Kai, Rick, and who's the last one?
B.
Baby. What's the name of your baby? Is it a baby brother or baby sister?
Brother.
Oh, what's the name of your baby brother, Kai?
His name was Zia.
How old is your baby brother?
My baby brother is uh, my baby brother is 2.
2 years old. I see. What about you? How old are you now?
I am 7.
You're 7. So, what grade are you in, Kai?
I am in grade 1.
You're in grade 1. I see. Wow. What do you like doing, Kai, aside from drawing?
I like coloring.
Oh, you like coloring too. Oh, I see. Do you have a
Color in
coloring
it.
book? Do you have a
Yes.
coloring book? Oh, no, you
Yes.
don't. Yes.
Yes.
Can you show me your coloring book?
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Teacher, but I can't find it.
can't find it. It's okay, Kai. Maybe next time, Kai. Okay, can I share my screen now, Kai?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kai. So for today, we will have wants and needs. When we say want, Kai, it is what we would like to have. But when we say need, it's something that we must have. We must we need in order for us to live. Like, for example, we need a home to live. We need food and water to grow and keep healthy. We need clothes to keep us warm. What about you, Kai? Can you tell me, what do you want? What do you want right now?
What?
What do you want right now, Kai?
What rate?
What?
What rate?
I'm asking you, what do you want right now? You want?
Who wants a new um toy?
And oh, you want a new toy? What kind of toy do you want to have?
Ah,
Oh, a new car. Last time you showed me your car. You have a toy car already, so you want another one.
yes.
Okay, Kai. Why toys, Kai? What about a bicycle?
I have one already.
Oh, you already have it. Okay. What do you need, Kai? Or what do we need?
We need water, food, air, home, and clothes, and money
Oh,
too.
yes. Why do we need money, Kai?
To buy food,
Okay, yes, exactly. That's right. Why do we need home?
to live.
Okay, yes. So we can live comfortably. Very good. You're smart, Kai. But I wonder why Rick isn't joining us. Is he still in the toilet?
Yes.
Okay. Is he taking a bath?
No, he is taking a um, toilet.
Ah, okay, Kai. Now, who do we need? Can you read this one for me, Kai?
We need what?
Can you read it?
Okay. What do we want? Wants are things we would like to have. People want different things. What do we need? Needs. What do we need? Needs are things we must have to live. People need the same thing. We need a home to live in. We need food and water to grow and keep healthy. We need clothes to keep us warm. Needs are also that are important to use and help us.
Okay, yes, very good. Thank you so much. That is indeed correct. And you read it really well, Kai. So, yes, when we say needs, these are not only the things that we must have to live, but it could also be the things that are important to us and could help us. Okay, now, what or who do we need? Some people have service jobs. These are jobs that help other people get what they need. Okay, we need to learn and to be safe and healthy. For example, police officers have a service job. What do police officers do, Kai? What's their job, Kai?
They
What do police officers? What they have to?
they have they have uh they have to save us.
Yes, they have to save us if we are in a bad situation. Yes, they help us and they keep us safe. What about doctors, Kai? What do they do?
They they um they they keep us
They keep us
healthy.
what?
What?
Yes, they keep us healthy. Okay, yes. And aside from that, Kai, they treat those people who are sick. So they'll feel a lot better. What about teachers? What do teachers do?
Teachers
What do
makes
teachers do?
teachers help us learn.
Yes, exactly. That is right. Because we have a lot of things in this world that we don't know yet. So we have to learn and discover them. Okay. Now talking about jobs, Kai, do you know what job you want to have in the future?
No,
No. Do you think you want to be a doctor one day?
no,
Oh no. What about a teacher, Kai?
no.
Oh no, too. So you don't have any jobs you want to have right now. Okay, then let us talk about your mom and dad. What's your mom's job, Kai?
My mom job is work.
Where does she work, Kai?
She work at the
At the office?
yes, at the office.
What about your dad? What's his job?
He works the office too.
Oh, okay, I see. Thank you so much for that, Kai. Okay, now going back to wants and needs, Kai, we also need money to buy the things that we want and to buy the things that we need. Okay, that's why people must have a job, Kai, so they can earn money. When they earn money, they can buy something. Okay, like for example, farmers, they grow fruits and vegetables and then they sell that at the supermarket and then we will buy it to consume or for us to eat. That is why money is really important as well. Now, what other people have jobs that help us, Kai? What other jobs do you know, Kai? Can you tell me 5 jobs?
Firefighters.
Yes, firefighters. What do they do, Kai?
They put out fires.
Yes, they fight fires. Okay, very good. Another job, Kai. We have firefighter. What else?
Police.
Okay, we're done with the police officer, Kai. Can you give me another one?
Um, um, hair cutter.
Oh, you mean a pilot, Kai?
Yes.
Okay. What do they do in their job, Kai? How do they help us?
They fly to another country.
Yes, they take us to our destination. Very good. Another job, Kai. So we have
Um,
firefighter, we have pilot. What else?
farmer.
Oh, yes, farmers. Okay, what do farmers do?
Farmers grow
Yes.
food.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Kai. So we have something fresh and healthy to eat. Okay, another one, Kai. So we have firefighter, pilot, farmer. What else?
A teacher.
Okay, a teacher. Yes, we're done with teacher, Kai. Can you think of another one, Kai?
No.
No. No? What about vet, Kai? Vet.
Oh, yes.
Okay, how do vets help us?
Vets help animal
Yes,
that is sick.
yes, sick animals. Great job. Can you give me one last job, Kai?
No.
No? You can think of any more jobs, Kai?
Um, thief.
Dentist? Did you say dentist, Kai?
What?
Did you say
What?
dentist? Dentist?
Dentist, yes.
Okay. How do dentists help us?
Dentist, it does help out our teeth healthy.
Yes, exactly. Very good, Kai. Are your teeth healthy? Are your teeth healthy, Kai?
Yeah, no.
No? No? Why? Do you love to eat chocolate?
Yes,
Oh, that is why. And did you go to the dentist, Kai?
no.
Oh, no, too. That's fine, Kai. It's okay. Now, let us have this one. In here, what do you like about the text? You have to take, okay, things, the things people want, Kai. Is it a happy face, a normal face, or a sad face?
Okay. Um, oh, not yet.
Okay, the things people need. Oh, okay, you want to change your answer.
The people want.
Just one tick, Kai. One tick is enough. Okay. The things people need. Oh, how people get money. And service jobs. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Kai. Now let us have this one. What's your favorite part? The part about service jobs. My father is a police officer. Now, what does Maria want? Wait.
Maria wants a kitty.
Very good, Kai. Now, why does Sam need new sneakers?
What?
Why does Sam needs new sneakers?
Where? Some new new sneakers to walk to school.
Yes, because as you can see in the picture, what happened to his old sneakers, Kai?
It's broken.
Yes. So he needs a new one. What things do we need to grow to keep healthy?
We need to grow food and vegetables.
Okay, yes, we need to eat those, Kai. But in order for us to grow and keep healthy, we need water and food. Okay, we need water and food. Next one, yes, but of course, as well, included in food, they are vegetables. What is a service job, Kai? What is a service job?
It's it's a
It's
uh
a
it's a
it's a job, or these are jobs that what?
a job for
Uh, for
tall people.
Okay, so when we say service jobs, Sky, these are jobs that help other people get what they need. Okay, yes, exactly, Kai. Now, what three jobs help people? What three jobs help people, Kai?
Um, job help people.
Yes, what
Um,
three jobs? We have police officers. What else?
doctors, doctor,
And
writers.
teachers. Okay, so those three jobs help people. Okay, now, Kai, I believe that would be all that for our class today. So, Teacher Mary will continue the rest. Okay, thank you so much for your time, Kai, and have a restful evening with your family. Good night, Kai.